Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to put a dot above a letter in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to put a double dot above letter. Firstly, write a letter. Then go to the insert menu and click symbol option, then choose more symbol. Then select the combining dot above, then insert it 2 times, then close the window, and we can see here we put it a double dot above this letter very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.